In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OctaFX to MetaTrader 5. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign into your OctaFX account. It's going to be available at my.octafx.com, and then as soon as you create your account, you'll be able to view your login ID as well as your password and basically the server you have to use. Now, over here, you can see your account number as well as your server. You can see it over here on the website itself. So after basically you log in at the dashboard, you'll see your accounts on here. Now, if you don't remember your password, and in case you've just said something and forgot it, you can just reset it over here, but I'm gonna show you how to basically log in right now. So let me move this away and open up MT5, there we go. What you wanna do is go to File, top left, open an account, and then in here, you wanna look for OctaFX and click on Find Your Company. And over here, you will see Octa Markets Incorporated, OctaFX, click on Next. And then over here, click Connect with an existing trade account. Inside Login, what you have to do is basically put in your account number. So the account number is going to be this, which I just showed you. So let me just maximize this. Account number is going to be this number over here. As you can see, this number is the account number. It's going to just refresh. So you basically want to paste that in here. So you can basically just copy it if you want to, or you can just retype it. Of course, whatever you want to do. Let me just copy it in here. And then you want to go into login, there we go. And then the password, as I said, should be the one you basically used for the sign up. But if you don't remember it, you can of course just reset it on here by clicking this forgot trading account password, and you'll be able to reset it. Then under the server, you also have to put in the server, and on your account, it says over here which account you're using, and then the server is OctaFX-demo. So this is going to be the one over here, OctaFX-demo. Then after this, just click finish. And there we go.
Incoming mail.
There we go. You'll receive those starting notifications, and then you'll be signed into your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.